feel it's just been a real pleasure and an honor to be part of this major event that just requires so many pieces to pull this event together. So it's just been a really great opportunity for us.
This is one of our larger events we've ever covered, and it was a privilege to be able to go out there and do this. Oh, the energy there was unbelievable. So many people working together, the stage designers and the event promoters. Really was impressive to be part of something so large. Today we installed a platform. It was 16 by 17 feet long. This is where the Pope will be sitting through the event. We usually don't do platforms this large, but we're able to handle this kind of project due to our large inventory of ramps.
Amramp will provide accessibility solutions to each and every individual who requires accessibility, from small families to businesses who require accessibility to huge corporate events such as the Pope's visit. Our motto is moving forward, and I believe Amramp achieved that today.